we have dealer-level diagnostic equipment to basically go into modules and reprogram them if needed, just like you would at a dealership. We've got scanners to communicate with all light-duty vehicles, medium-duty, and some heavy-duty vehicles, as well as all the equipment required to perform module reprogramming on most domestic vehicles. We're always staying on top of new updates and calibrations for our diagnostic equipment. Any new equipment that comes out, we try to grab it right away so we can start playing with it. We can fit motorhomes up to 34 feet long. Our biggest hoist here is around 30,000 pounds, so we can pretty much lift anything.